kita, Pak? Bos.
Siap bos, kita bakar-bakar bos.
Ayo.
Sama Degan Muda bos. Acara dia som-som nih bang.
Boh, dah, sehat dah. Ini ciwi primadona ini. Nih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sahabat. Kali ini atau hari ini sedang silaturahmi ke rumahnya Bang Randy, lagi jamu Degan Muda, sahabat. Dan rencananya hari Minggu atau malam Minggu akan mau camping, sahabat, untuk melepas lelah stres karena bekerja. Maka tim camping akan bersiap-siap untuk mengambil peralatan atau bambu yang diperlukan, sahabat, yang dibuat tenda. Makanya dipersiapkan dari sekarang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tim camping lagi mempersiapkan bahan-bahan yang diperlukan untuk melancarkan dalam acara camping. Jadi para sahabat, tanggal 24 malam akan rencananya mau dilaksanakan camping bersama tim camping pecinta camping. Saya di mana? Iya, tak ada tuh. Ini Bang Wahed dengan penuh semangat. Ayo, kompak. Tanggal 24 malam akan melaksanakan camping untuk melepas stres kerjaan, penat karena pekerjaan, karena kehidupan, makanya akan mau mengadakan camping. Ini bos. Alhamdulillah dapat satu.
Kurang 11 bos.
Yes, oke. Bos Ajes. Jauh-jauh dari Bandung punya. Bos, jangan carok bos, awas celurit bos. Muda ada iya kan, punya kerobok. Tak iya.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
tell, like nothing I felt. My mind overwhelms, I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Ya,
Ini ikan mati dimakan manusia hidup. Manusia hidup makan dia tidak mati.
ini yang tidak mau ikan. Jadi ini cukup makan
susu,
tahu. Kebanyakan tahu jadi tuli.
Masuman.